Good morning this Monday, the 24th of February. I'm Sophia Mavridis, a market analyst with Bell Direct. Well, as we enter the final week of reporting season, the Australian market is set to open in the red, following the Dow Jones dropping 700 points on Friday in the US, the worst day for the Dow this year so far. This comes from the release of soft US data, including a decline in consumer sentiment, home sales dropping more than expected, and a 5-year inflation outlook survey higher than expected. The economic data sparked concerns among US investors over a slowing economy and sticky inflation. Bank stocks were sold off and losses advanced toward the close on Friday amid news headlines of additional tariffs and other government policies moving markets. Now, the Dow Jones dropped 1.67%, bringing its two-day losses to 1,200 points. The S&P 500 dropped 1.71%, the second negative session for the index after closing at a record on Wednesday, and the tech-heavy Nasdaq declined by over 2%. Australian shares declined on Friday, down 0.32%, with consumer discretionary stocks weighing down on the market the most, while the materials sector advanced. Now, looking forward to the session ahead, while the Australian market is set to open lower, the SPI futures are suggesting a drop of 0.77% at the open this morning, following US equities. In commodities, crude oil has dropped 2.87%, trading at $70.40 per barrel, as concerns over Russian supply disruptions provided support while uncertainty loomed over a potential Ukraine peace deal. Gold is trading slightly lower at $2,934 an ounce, remaining close to its record high from the previous session at $2,950. Now, investors move to the safe haven metal amid rising economic uncertainties. And iron ore is trading higher at $107.13 per tonne, its highest in 4 months, amid strong demand expectations from major consumers. And over 20 listed companies are set to report their earnings results today, including Adairs, APA Group, Lovisa, Lynas Rare Earths, and Regis Healthcare. That's just to name a few. While stocks going ex-dividend today include Hansen Technologies, Santos, and Vicinity Centres. Now, remember, this often sees share prices fall as investors take their profits. And to end on some trading ideas for your consideration today, Bell Potter have upgraded their recommendation on Telix Pharmaceuticals from a hold to a buy after the pharmaceutical group pre-released FY24 revenues. Bell Potter's 12-month price target is amended from $21.60 to $36, and at TLX's current share price of $30.12, this implies a 19% share price growth in a year. And Trading Central have identified a bearish signal in PWR Holdings. The ticker is PWH, indicating that the stock price may fall from the close of $7.34 to the range of $5.20 to $5.70 over 67 days, according to the standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all for this morning. I'm Sophia Mavridis with Bell Direct. I hope you have a great start to your week and happy trading.